Here we are solving for formulas. So we get the equation A equals P plus P R T. And I'm solving for T, which means I need to get this T by itself. So I need to move everything else to the other side. So before I can even reach this T, I need to get rid of this P. So I'm going to subtract P on both sides. So I can't take P from A, so I'm just going to write A minus P equals, and I still have P R T. Again, I'm going to get this T by itself. I need to get rid of this P and R. It's P times R times T. The opposite of multiplying is dividing. So all I have to do is divide both sides by P and R. So my answer, because this is gone now and T is by itself, is A minus P divided by PR, which is choice C. Number 2, we have P equals A plus B plus C. And we're solving for B, which means I need to move everything else over but my B. So first, let's move our A. It's a positive A, so for me to move it, I'm going to subtract A. So I get P minus A. I still have B plus C. Again, I'm getting this B by itself, so I need to move that C. So I'm going to subtract that C because it's plus C. So now I have P minus A minus C, and my B is now by itself. So my answer choice is C. Number 3, we have V equals 1/3 big B times H. And they're giving us, they just want us to solve this one. It says V equals 12 and H equals 4. So I'm solving for B. I'm going to plug it in. So first, I'm going to get 12 here equals 1/3. Big B times my H is 4. So we can multiply this 1/3 times 4. I get 12 equals 1/3 times 4 is 4/3. Big B. I'm still trying to get this B by itself. So what I need to do is get rid of this. It's 4/3 times B. So I'm going to divide by 4/3. Now let's remember our rules. We cannot divide by a fraction. What we're really going to be doing is multiplying by the reciprocal. So I'm taking 12 times and I flip that 4/3 to 3/4. And when I have fractions, we multiply across. 12 times 3, I get 36. 1 times 4 is 4. And lastly, 36 divided by 4, I get 9 as my answer, which is choice C. So we can substitute it in and then just solve for that B. And lastly, number 4, we have our formula here. F equals 9/5 C plus 32. So we're converting Celsius to Fahrenheit, and it tells us we have 10 degrees Celsius. So C is going to be 10. So wherever there's a C, I'm putting a 10. So F equals 9/5 times 10 plus 32. All right, so 9/5 times 10. So we need to multiply when we have fractions. We multiply across, we simplify if we can simplify. 5 goes into 5 once, 5 goes into 10 2 times. So really I'm just multiplying 9 times 2. 9 times 2 gives me 18. I still have this plus 32. And an 18 plus a 32 now gives me 50. Therefore I get choice A.